This is Forte, and it sets a new high watermark for residential excellence on the Venetian islands. Comfort and privacy.
Hi, I'm Annie Lopez, and today I'm standing at Forte, a landmark estate offered for sale for $60 million, located on the northeast edge of San Marco Island in the Venetian Islands. Forte is built across 3 main levels, plus fully furnished rooftop retreat. From the very first step, one thing is clear. Forte is not just a trophy residence. This is a forward-thinking statement in design, engineering, and waterfront living.
This is what you're waiting for. People ready to rock.
Before we go inside, it's very important to understand the foundation of this home, because Forte literally starts from the ground up. We start at level 0, known as the understory. It's very important to understand that the entire property is elevated above its surroundings using unique structural design, which allows for panoramic views in every direction and creates a home that is inherently resilient to climate change. Here you'll find a display quality garage with space up to 10 cars. This is designed more like a private gallery than a garage, right? We'll also find private elevator that takes you directly into the owner's bedroom. Guests arrive via grand front staircase, setting a sense of arrival before even stepping inside. Along the water, Forte sits on a brand new 103-foot seawall built on 13-foot sheet piles with a deep water dockage capable of accommodating mega yachts, a rare and very valuable feature on the Venetian islands. And now let's head up where daily life truly unfolds. We're at level 1, a single continuous expanse. Level 1 opens as a single continuous expanse. Walls of glass disappear into the architecture, completely dissolving the boundary between indoors and out. Biscayne Bay becomes the backdrop. Soft breezes, shimmering blues, and constant movement woven into every moment of this home. Curated interior gardens and sleek Boffi wood dividers create subtle transitions between living, dining, and entertaining without ever interrupting the openness. Every surface here is a study in craftsmanship. I must say that the flow in this home is very intentional and calm. There are so many wonderful features. One of them is lime-based plaster from Mexico, Chucun, limestone, gorgeous. White oak floors that are upstairs, we're going to see them later. Lighting by Lumifair. And walls that we're going to see in the kitchen by Elitis. Let's stop at the heart of the home, the Boffi family kitchen. Look how beautiful it is. Here in the middle you see a dramatic waterfall island with an integrated breakfast table, chairs to match, and paired with Gaggenau appliances. Top-notch feature of every ultra-luxury home. Right behind it, there is a hidden chef's kitchen that is perfect for meal preps or cocktail. This kitchen is designed for private gatherings or maybe high-end entertainment. I just want to pay attention to little details here, like how easy it is to open up every cabinet. Just touch, it will open. It's backlit. This is a huge refrigerator, gigantic, enough space for 20 people, 20 guests that you will serve. And here is a wine display, just one of them. There will be another one. But for now, we have this gorgeous wine space, beautiful marble, and Light by Lumifair. Follow me to the formal dining space. Right between the main kitchen and the formal dining space, there is an area for entertainment. There is a pool table, artefacto bench to match the style of this room. And here we are at the formal dining area. The formal dining area comfortably seats up to 16 guests, anchored by this custom art piece chandelier and the rug that you see on the wall. Very unusual because you don't see it in all modern homes. This is something that, vivid, super cool. We're right now in a lounge area, great place for cocktails. And now we're heading back to the outdoor space. The first floor opens to nearly 800 square feet of outdoor space, poolside bar, fully equipped summer kitchen, as you see in the back under pergola, and wonderful modern deck with lounge chairs. And you can see a gorgeous steel staircase on the top that takes you to the rooftop retreat. This is where indoor and outdoor truly become one. On level 1, there is also theater, private screening room, which I would like to show you, and 2 guest bedrooms. Follow me. We are in the most exciting part of the first floor for me. Private screening room for 10. Again, all furniture here is by Artefacto, acoustic panels by Elitis, wow, super soft to touch, and European light switch. You haven't seen anything like this anywhere, I guarantee you. A 142-inch TV with immersive sound, perfect for private viewings or movie nights. Now let's head up to private quarters. The second floor is devoted to comfort and privacy. We're on the second floor. Before we head into any of the suites on this level, I would like to pay special attention that the interior design of this home paid to. Look at this beautiful chandelier light fixtures in the middle of the room. Glass wall. It seems like there is no barrier between this level and the outdoor space. This barrier allows light penetrate from the second floor onto the garden that is on the first floor. This floor is devoted to privacy and comfort. There are 5 main suites on this floor: the owner's suite, the junior suite, and 3 guest suites. All of them are unique and no details spared in any of the rooms. The owner's bedroom is a true sanctuary. It's anchored by immersive dressing room by Ornare. So beautiful, enough space for 2 people. Just have a look. Looks like a display in a store, doesn't it? And there is a sofa, again by Artefacto, table, island in the middle. There is even built-in wet bar for morning espresso or a glass of wine before heading out for the evening. All cabinets are backlit. By the way, there is soft, beautiful atmosphere in this room thanks to the special light. You don't see bright light here, and it creates special, unique, intimate atmosphere. This is what's needed in every dressing room. We're in the owner's suite and we'll continue the tour. I'm in love with white oak floors that are found not only in the main bedroom but also in all other bedrooms. Again, Artefacto furniture, gray, perfect color, traditional, classy, clean, from floor to ceiling, sliding doors, that lead you to outdoor terrace that runs the length of the whole property. On a day like this, it's amazing to just sit here and enjoy this beautiful view, the Miami skyline and the open bay. In the center of the room, there is a gigantic TV, hidden, by the way. Everything you need is here for comfortable living. The ensuite bathroom is finished in exquisite Armina stone, wrapping the floors and walls in refined texture. From here, you have direct access to a private balcony and the main terrace that stretches the length of the property.
The main suite and the junior suite are separated by this gorgeous space that I call lounge. It has L-shaped sofa, two paintings to match the style, two central tables, and the middle one looks like made of stone. Very nice, unique, you don't see it everywhere. Again, all this furniture is by Artefacto and interior design by Javier Robles. The junior suite mirrors the same level of detail. The bathroom is designed absolutely the same with Armina stone. Floor-to-ceiling glass showers that, with a touch of a button, turn opaque into an intimate, dark room. There is a tap in the middle with a view of the ocean, rain shower, black marble with his and her sinks, separate toilet, and very important, makeup desk. Let me try it. Very comfortable and again, made with style. The laundry room completes this level, making daily living seamless and comfortable and discreet. Now follow me, we'll take an elevator up to the fully furnished retreat.
Nobody gonna know me quite like you do. Nobody. Grab that thing that fry out down like you do.
Crowning Forte is fully finished and fully furnished retreat. We see here silver travertine floors, garden, and beautiful dining and lounge areas. Full summer kitchen with Wolf appliances, table for 8, and the view. This area is perfect for sunset cocktails, family gatherings, or a movie night under the skies. At night, this mix turns into city lights, reflections in the water, and moonlit skies. This is the part that sets Forte apart from any other house in Miami. Again, glass wall barriers that remove that transition between outdoors and indoors. When you stay right here, you actually see no walls. It feels like you're on the water, enjoying the view. Forte is not just another waterfront estate. It is a forward-thinking vision of modern luxury, designed for permanence, created for effortless living, for generations to come, at a level rarely seen in Miami.
For eternity.
Thanks for watching. If Forte or something equally special on the Venetian islands caught your eye, I am here. See you soon!
For eternity.